Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with League of Legends. While launching or playing the game, you got a Vanguard error van 57. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. So first of all, in the basic step, click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type a few commands one by one. ipconfig /release. Second command is ipconfig /renew. And third command is ipconfig /flushdns and hit the enter key. After doing all these three commands, go ahead and relaunch your League of Legends by opening the Roid client, and hopefully the issue of Vanguard error van 57 will be fixed out. Although if this will to work out, right click on taskbar and choose option Task Manager. From the left pane, click on Details tab and in the search box type in Roid. Right click on Roid client services and choose the option End Task. Make sure you close each and every service available over here. After closing, in the search box type in League. So again, if League is running, you need to close it. After properly closing League of Legends, Roid client or VGC, close the Task Manager. Then click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Now type here a command delete VGC and hit the enter key. Second command is delete VGK and hit the enter key again. After doing these two commands, make sure you restart your system, and after restarting your system, you need to open up this PC, C drive, program files and find a folder with the name Roid Vanguard. Right click on this folder and choose option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure you restart your PC and then delete this particular folder. After deleting the folder, you need to open up settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option apps, then choose installed apps. Now in the search box, type in League. Once you find League of Legends, click on three dot icon next to it and choose the option uninstall. This will uninstall the League of Legends from your system. After uninstalling, close the settings menu. Now open this PC and you need to open the directory of the League of Legends. Generally, it is available in C drive Roid Games. But at my system, I have installed it in my F drive Roid Games folder. Here you will find a folder with the name League of Legends or Roid Client. Once you find the folder, select the folder, right click and choose option delete, and this will completely delete the League of Legends or Roid Client from your system. After doing so, open up your web browser and download the installer for Windows or Mac, whichever system you have. Now once it is downloaded, click on the installer. Now click on the option install. This will go ahead and install the Roid Games as well as League of Legends, both the programs into your system. Once it is properly installed, this will launch the Roid client. Now you need to sign in using your user ID and password. Now once you are signed in, click on the option install. Now hit install again. Now it will take some time and it will automatically install the Roid Vanguard, Roid client as well as League of Legends into your system. Now the last step is right click on Start menu, choose the option Run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, you need to press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Currently, the League of Legends is not properly installed, that's why VGC is not showing over here. So once you find the VGC service, double click to open it. If the service status is stopped, you need to start the service at once, and in startup type, you need to make it automatic. After doing so, hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and hit the play option next to League of Legends, and this will completely fix out your Vanguard error van 57. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.